you talked about doing the homework and you talked about their participation. So what level of participation during these meetings would be expected and actually even required to get the maximum benefit? And then let's talk about the homework.
Yes. Well, it's basically helping to open up and to heal anything with the throat chakra, because that seems to be a collective kind of issue with many people that are on the path, is the opening up of the throat completely. Because think about it this way, your throat is a bridge between your heart and your brain. And so we want that coordination to always be there. And so the heart and the mind or the brain can speak together through the throat chakra. So sharing kind of automatically begins to develop the power of the throat chakra, the power of the word, the power of you, the spiritual being. So think of it as sharing is an opportunity to fully open up the throat and to keep it open so that your spirit in an everyday sense can speak to your family, your friends, your clients, your customers, whatever it is, socially, spiritually. The program is really designed to help integrate all facets of one's consciousness into a practical level of expression in the world. It's that old saying of being in the world, but not of it. So we're here to play, to learn, to love, to find peace and joy, and to share that with as many people as we can, including pets and the animal kingdom.